creating a soft, smoky eye look using these Charlotte Tilbury products. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. On my channel I cover makeup, skincare, fashion, travel, things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. So if you're interested in that kind of content and you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now. Thanks so much. Well, if you follow the Charlotte Tilbury website, she's had a big sale over the past month. And this was one of the package deals I got for 40% off. So in today's video, I'm going to create a simple, easy eye look using these products. For the past few weeks, Charlotte Tilbury has had a lot of package deals on her website. This is what I bought. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Push Up and Recover Eye Kit and the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Smoky Eyes to Hypnotize. This is one of the special eye packages, and I'm going to use them today in my makeup. This kit includes this Cryo Recovery Eye Serum as well as the Pillow Talk Mascara. Now, Pillow Talk Mascara is my absolutely all-time favorite mascara. I've been using that for a while and was out, so I really wanted to buy that anyway. Been wanting to try this. So I've done most of my face makeup. I'm going to put on a little bit of this Eye Recovery. I also used it at night. But it comes on feeling kind of cool. It says eyes appear depuffed and brighter with Ice Awake Caffeine Complex. And AM and PM, AM before your makeup and then again at night. So I'm actually using it sort of as an eye primer today. A little drop goes a long way. And now I'm going to touch up with a little bit of concealer. I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury concealer, but I'm using this from Lancome, which is one of my all-time favorite concealers. And just a few drops again. Less is better. Use my finger to kind of pat it in today. Okay, so now I'm going to create my eye look using this Easy Smoky Eyes to Hypnotize. This kit has actually two crayons. This one is Cosmic Gold, and this one is Black Smoulder. So let's try it. I'm going to start with the Black Smoulder and just sort of go along the upper lash line. Now I'm going to take the Cosmic Gold and I'm going to go a little along the lower lash line. You can use the Black Smoulder on the lower lash line too if you really want to go all out. But I found that as you get older, having too much really dark liner under your eyes can age you. And also it can actually sort of shrink your eyes instead of make them look larger. But this gold right along the bottom lash line should be just perfect. Yes, it gives just that hint of color under the eye. I'm also going to use this in the crease line. Just going all around the crease line with this gold color. Now you could use a powdery shimmer to blend it all together, or just maybe a gray or gold powder eyeshadow, but I'm just going to blend this down using a blender brush. And by blending this like this, you get a nice smoldery look, but it's still kind of natural. And the final look, of course, is the mascara. This, again, it's my all-time favorite, Pillow Talk Push-Up Lashes. can't believe how much longer and fuller my lashes look just by using this. And it's one of the only ones that never gets clunky. And now my lash curler. With this mascara, I feel no need for falsies. Okay, well, I'm going to top everything off with the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, also from Charlotte Tilbury. And set everything. Well, that's the video for today. It's a bit of a short one, but I just really wanted to share with you these new Charlotte Tilbury products. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.